This video will show you how to create and manage rota types within System 1. To use the Rota Type screen, you will need the Appointment Administrator access right. We are going to be creating rota types needed to build a rota. These can be used to categorise your rotas into groups and can also be useful for reporting. Select Setup, Appointments, and then Rota Types. In here, I see a list of existing rota types for this unit, including the system defaults. You can make a rota type you do not use inactive. You can then include seeing these deactivated rota types, and if you want, reactivate one. I can also see which staff members created a rota type and on what dates. Let's create a new one. I'll give it a suitable name. This will show at the top of the rota on the appointment screen. I'm also going to select the age range that this rota is appropriate for. If a patient is booked into this rota outside the age range, the system will display a dialog. This is useful for instances when you are running an age-specific clinic, for example 8-week check or flu clinic for those over 65. Allowing consultations to be started from the rota will give users a right-click option. Note that this is also dependent on a staff member's access rights. Select OK to see the rota type appear in the list of available ones at your unit.